Booty cheeks have clapped. The video has begun. Where's the content skeleton at? Content. It's beautiful little motherfucker out here. Makes my pee-pee go. It's goddamn nice out here. Now let's go on a ride, brother. Let's ride. Let's ride. See a content skeleton? Oh baby, wow, that is so gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, I did not pull the left on. Wow. Please.
Bro, don't.
Bebop.
Don't.
And I defeated Bebop.
Please don't. Oh my god.
I do it.
I've never seen something more sketchy done on a bolt.
Yes. Yes. I am master of bubbles.
I am the bolt master.
If you don't ride like this, then people aren't going to take you seriously. They're going to think you're some fucking sport bike guy.
Yeah, again, think you're a sport bike guy.
No one likes a sport bike guy, let's be honest.
Nobody likes a sport bike guy.
Get a man's bike, you know.
You gotta get a man's bike like that. Oh shit. Do you feel cool that you have a camera on your bike?
Yeah.
Feel like a real motorcycle guy?
I feel like I should ride better.
Like you want to be more reckless? Oh, that's super honey car. I look real honey car. Why does my bike say it's 104? It's definitely not 104. No, like 1 o'clock. I know. It was just fine. It was just reading the correct time. I don't even know how to fucking change that back, bro. I don't know how to get into my settings or nothing. I love that little. Okay, time to go. Fucking kid yelled like a velociraptor, bro. Content ass, where? Oh, what's up, guys? I want a dirt bike. Nah. Oh, he's wearing fucking high top Vans though. He might. It's kind of like a stunt rider thing. Bit speedy. Oh, I want to try to get one wheelie past you though at some point. I feel like this is not a good area for this. Oh, actually, nah. That shit was not that good, bro. No good, bro. Is there any cops around me? I don't.
Take the camera out.
No. Too fast. What's that?
It's a patriotic ass diner.
Was so hell the twilight at the last gleaming broad track.
First bite. Gotta like
First bite?
break it back a little bit.
Hey, you want to hold it for me, dog?
Let's get a first bite review, yeah? You got a mandatory first bite.
Alright guys, this is the new Ruby Super Burger. Just came out, exclusive.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me, quick jump out for you.
Oh god, call 911, get an ambulance.
Clap those booty cheeks together. Go, 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 go. Okay. Is this the fastest way back, or should we keep going that way? Okay, let's make a U. No U-turns, huh? It's crazy. Fuck, bro, I hate when you're a little bit sweaty and then it's cold out and you go out riding and then it's like your sweat just like makes you super fucking cold. What are you guys doing? Nah, that nigga just doesn't know how to drive. What the fuck? It's no good. Oh, sick. I just popped it into neutral on accident. Okay. Former man. Gender swap? Wait, so is a gender swap kind of like an engine swap? You know what's crazy? When I got my first bike, I thought that like I would get a lot of girls, but girls really don't give a fuck about bikes. You get so many dudes hitting you up like, oh, that's sick, what is that? No girls. Hey, so if you're out there watching this and you're a girl, you know, if you're a girl and you don't have a boyfriend, that's all I'm saying. Taste the rainbow, swerve the rainbow. I didn't turn that shift light off. I remember there was a reason I turned it off in the first place. Jesus. That's a light. That's a weird ass light, bro. Is it a light? Let's go. Power wheelie. Ow, my fucking balls! So much traffic. This is why I love California. Like, riding bikes would be so much less fun without being able to lane split. I said riding bikes without being able to lane split would be no fun. Is that a blinker or what the fuck is that? I hate that. on your Corolla.
Really angry dog.
I know, what the fuck was that about? He's just mad that he's in traffic. Skipping me in line. Skipping me in traffic, asshole. Excuse me, sir, I was here first. Oh, I hate Teslas. It's always a Tesla that wants to take me out. It's too bright for flames, huh? Sick ass Outback, bro. I actually like those things. Those are sick. I mean, that's how they come stock, and that looks pretty good. Yeah. I need a quick shifter. I make this thing so horny. Alright, well, that's a good place to end the video. Thank you. Wait, what do people usually say at the end of the video? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.
Subscribe and like.
Make sure to fuck that like button.
Hit that bell.
Fuck that subscribe button. Wait, no, don't fuck it. Okay, slap the like button with your penis and hit the subscribe button with your left nipple. What does that mean?